Use the trapezium rule with 7 ordinates to work out this integral to 3dp. So let's have a look at this then. The first thing to do is get h. So h is equal to b minus a over n, the number of intervals. There's b, there's a, so 1.2 minus 0 then, over the number of intervals. Well, there's 7 ordinates, so there's 6 intervals. So that works out at 0.2, doesn't it? So there's our interval distance. So let's write down our ordinates. Naught to 6 because there's 7 ordinates. We're starting from 0 and finishing at 1.2. So the distance between those 2 points is 1.2. Divide by the number of intervals 6. We get a difference of 0.2. So we increment by 0.2s. And now we need the y's. So we need y0, y1, y2, and lastly y6. We need all of these. So the first one's easy to work out, isn't it? Because it's 1 over 1 minus sine 0. Sine 0 is 0, so 1 over 1 is 1. So that's easy. But I'm just going to allow that to be f of x now to save some time. So it'll be f of 0.2 here. Then we put in 0.4 into the calculator on the input. 0.6, f of 0.8, f of 1.0, and lastly it will be f of 1.2, won't it? So we need to work these out on the calculator. So the first one is 0.2, 1 over 1 minus sine 0.2. So 1 divided by bracket 1 minus sine 0.2. Close the sine bracket, close the bracket. We're in radians mode, so if I type equals, we need an output to 3dp, so if we work to 5 we'll be reasonably safe, sufficient margin of error. So 24792, 1.24792. Next one, 0.4, toggle back. 63778, 1 point. Next one, 0.6, toggle back again, change that to a 6 now. 2.29696, 29696, 29696, 2 points. Next one is 0.8. Let's go back and change that. 3.53802. And then the next one. So it's 1.0 now. 6.30799. 6.30799. And then the last one is 1.2. Tap that in. 14.71434. So let's work out the integral according to the trapezium rule then. It's h over 2, so 0.2 over 2 is 0.1, times the first and the last added together. So we can add them easily, so let's just do that. It will be 14 plus 1, 14 point this number plus 1 is 15.71434. Plus 2 times all the numbers in between, which we can just add up on the calculator, can't we? Let's do that. So I'm going to clear that out and just add these. 1.24792 plus 1.63778 plus 2.29696 plus 3.53802. Oops. 53802 plus 6.30799. 30799. Here we go. Plus the 14. One more. Oh, that's the last one, wasn't it? Oh, so we don't want to add anything. 15.02867. So that was this one. 63. So it worked out 15.02867. 15.02867. So there's our number, times it by 2 then. Keep it in the calculator, times by 2 equals, you get that number. Then add 15, so plus the 15.71434 equals, so we get, that's the number here, times it by 0.1, and we get 4.577 to 3dp. 4.577, and that was to 3 decimal places.